Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Irish Kitchen, where I do family friendly recipes that everyone can enjoy. So today's video was for a quick and easy chicken curry. So sit back, relax and enjoy, and thanks for watching. So we take our pan and we spray some oil in it. Put this pan onto just a medium heat. And to that we add our diced peppers. Then our diced onion. Give that a quick stir around, let it cook for 5 minutes just until the onion starts to go translucent. Then we add our ginger and garlic paste. Give that a stir around, cook it out for about another 30 seconds. Not much longer, you don't want the garlic to burn. Now that that's cooked, we'll move our onion and garlic mixture to the side. This is a one pan dish, so it goes really well. So we take our chicken, just pop it into the pan, and let it seal for 3 or 4 minutes. So once one side is sealed, we'll give it a flip over, just seal the other side. Just watch the chicken starting to go brown. Once the chicken is starting to be sealed, then you can mix it in with the onions and the peppers. Now we'll start to make our sauce. So we add our curry powder, give it a stir around, cook it for a few minutes just to cook the spices up, get the curry flavour more intense. Then we add some chicken stock, some coconut milk, some tinned tomatoes. Give that a stir around. And let the sauce thicken for about 15 minutes, 20 minutes. The longer you leave it, the thicker the sauce will get, the more intense the flavour will be. Now let's serve our quick and easy chicken curry. So as you can see, I've just boiled some rice. That's the best thing for this dish, rice or some naan bread to mop up the sauce afterwards. So folks, if you like this video and you're getting benefit from it, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And again, thanks for watching.